Does posting on social media really boost your SEO? Let's set the record straight. Here's the truth. Social media won't flip a magic switch in Google's algorithm, but it does open doors. It drives more people to your website. Think of it like traffic flowing into a busy shop. It makes people search for your brand name, like hearing about a new restaurant and Googling the menu. And when your content gets shared, it's like passing out digital flyers. More shares mean more chances for backlinks and faster indexing by search engines. Now the myths. More followers does not mean higher rankings. Followers are like fans in the stands. They cheer, but they don't change the score. Likes and comments? Great for engagement. But Google doesn't count them as ranking points. And no, not every post gets indexed by Google. Social feeds move fast. Google doesn't chase every crumb. So, how do you actually make social media help your SEO? First, optimize your profiles. Think of them as mini billboards with the right keywords. Share and repackage your blog content. One blog can become posts, carousels, even short clips. Engage with your audience. The more people talk, the further your content travels. And use strong visuals and videos, because content with visuals spreads like wildfire compared to plain text. When used right, social media is a megaphone for your SEO strategy. If you want a plan that blends both for real results, MarketingGear can help. Click the link below and let's get started.